Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off a VPN proxy in Windows 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go to your start menu right here, right click on it, and then just click on settings. Okay, click on it, wait for it to load. Now, in the left panel, we have here network and the internet. Just click on it. Now, go ahead over to proxy. And then here, if you have a manual proxy server, just go to click on it and make sure that this one is turned off, okay? And then just hit on save. After that, if you have scripts for your proxy, just do the same thing, just to turn this off and then hit on save. After that, if you're currently using VPNs, just go and find on your search bar VPN settings right here. So just click on it. And if you have an available VPN, just to make sure that you disable it from here, okay? And then after that, finally, just go and find your search bar once more and just type down network reset. Click on it. Then go ahead and reset now right here. Wait a bit and your internet will be gone. Okay, so all you got to do after that is just restart your computer. And once that's done, you're good to go. That is how you turn off a VPN proxy in Windows 11. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.